Okay, guys, so you can see we're starting to doji out here. You can see that was a really nice strategy number 3. Hit the target, T1, made a double bottom. That's your signal like, hey, something bad could happen here. Need to take my profits and get out. Then we look for it to come, it pulls back, never breaks out of the channel. So if it doesn't ever break out of channel, you're certainly not playing a stop loss. However, you don't just play a stop loss because it broke out of channel. It depends on your skill set, mindset, risk tolerance, and how big your account is. So because strategy 3 is a 2-hour trade, you could essentially, because if I come down here and hit refresh, you're still way below the 50. That's that orange line right there. Don't ever move. When I say don't ever move, the numbers stay the same. Obviously, if I make my screen bigger or smaller, right? But so you're not close to stop loss in that. You could be 1-0. You could be 0-0. You could have not entered trade. Everybody's going to be different. When it breaks out of the channel, it stops me from looking at strategy 3. I immediately do my Fibonacci. I'm setting up for strategy 4. It's perfectly in the zone, and then it gets blocked by the 618. Doesn't get it. So I got step 1 on 3. Step 2 was blocked. I got step 1 on 4. Step 2 was blocked. Now guess what I'm going to do? Hop right over here to USDCHF, and it's telling me, hey, this is no longer a sell. It's a buy trend. So I'm going to hop on that buy trend. No, you're not. Do not do that. But, Coach, I got step 1. Coach, I got step 2. No, you didn't. Step 2's all dojis. So you didn't get step 2. So you got a step 1 on 6, then it failed. You got a step 1 on 3, and it failed. You got a step 1 on 4, and it failed. And at some point in time, your brain's got to say, I probably need to just stop and wait a little bit. That's the mindset part. That's the part that causes 97% of people to fail. Because they don't understand, you have to get all 4 steps. If you don't get all 4 steps, you don't have a trade. So I don't have a sell on 3 or 4. I don't have a buy on 6. So I'm doing nothing. When John Harvey was here, I said, John, do nothing. Be a do nothing Johnny. And that's what we are now. So right now, the training channel is 1-0. And that might be all we get. I was talking to John Blue this morning, who's finishing up he finished up his 5th free class today. I've probably given him, 10 or 11 hours of my time absolutely free. But he's now starting to see that this isn't some kind of get-rich-quick stuff. You actually have to know what the heck you're doing. So we don't have a 6 buy. We don't have a 3 or 4 to sell. I didn't even check 1 yet. But you don't have a buy for a 1 either because you're still channel locked. So if you want to learn how to do this, book your first free class, right? It's that simple. If you already know how to do this, then great. Share your results, okay? So let's break out the channel here. Let's go to USDCHF. I've got a great candle, but if I hit refresh, I can see I have an issue right here. I'm going to have a resistance line that may kick me out. So I'm not going to take this buy. I'm going to look and see if it turns in this area. If it comes up here and hits this resistance line and turns back down, I'll leave strategy 6 and I'll come back over here and look for 3 and 4. So if you need help, let me know. See you.